Many meeting rooms within the companies and commercial premises are a lot of time underutilized. Can a smart meeting room booking system optimize the usage and also reduce the cost for the occupant and also the management company? Hello, I'm Brian from ViewSonic in ISE 2020. Behind me is our 4K 86-inch collaboration display made for a smart meeting room. It features with the position capacity touch. It brings the true to writing touch user experience. It also powerful by Intel i7 vPro CPU, largely amplified the Microsoft 365 user experience. The certified video camera also made the video conferencing a lot more easier. But what's more is the sensor hub on the top right side of the corner. It can detect the temperature, the humidity, and also the motion. And in ISE today, we have a very, very interesting demonstration is having this smart meeting room booking system. Once the participant coming into the meeting room, the door signboard is going to switch the color from red to green. That means now the meeting room is occupied. Over the time, behind the scenes is that our sensor hub is certified the Azure. So a lot of the data is going to be analyzed. And you will see how many meeting has been booking over the time, how many meeting is running over time, how many meeting is no-show, how many AV equipment is actually being used in that meeting room. So this will give a lot of the management company a great idea how to optimize their usage of the meeting room. If you want more information, book the demo with our team or visit our website www.viewsonic.com. Thank you.